Okay, 2003 Peterbilt 379 heavy spec truck. 13.2 fronts, 12 drop axle from the factory, double framed, 46 rears, full lockers, has the wet kit with PTO, 18 speed CAT C15. Truck has 1,016,258 miles on it with 350 on the CAT REMAN engine. Runs good, has good oil pressure, no blow by at all. It's been running for probably 45 minutes and checked everything out. Built the oil pressure good. They're continuing to use the truck. So what I'm told, you should be able to hook up to the truck and, or not hook up, but jump in the truck and drive away. Everything's going. It's missing. It's like part of the fuel gauge, so you can see a little part of it right there. Volts, your scales, and then your fuel filter gauge. I don't think is working. The vacuum on the fuel filter, but other than that, it runs good. The Jake's on right now, or not Jake. The cruise control. Shut it off. I don't know if the air conditioner's on or working, or there's a valve in there that you can switch from hot to cold. That could be off, but it was on air conditioning, but it doesn't feel like it's cooling down. It does have automatic air windows. They're working. It's like custom steering wheel, custom door handles, all your switches. Your dash is kind of custom, and then your dump systems here. Been using it to pull walking floor, and they have the Mack trailer hooked to it right now. But everything works. The clutch feels good. Like I said, I jumped in this morning and fired right up. Seems to run good that way. No oil leaks that I can see anywhere. And then it has a sister truck. Part of retirement sale. So, any questions, feel free to call.